To find the new Jeep Performance parts from Rockslide Engineering, you will need to log into your Dealer Connect portal. From the home screen, click on the Parts tab from the menu. Look for the section called Order Parts. In the Order Parts section, click on the link for Tire Works, Wheel Works, and affiliated accessories. This will open a new browser window and load the Tire Works portal. Click on Accessories from the bright green top menu. The product search page opens. From here, you utilize the drop-down menu. Click on Rockslide and click the search button. Rockslide Engineering affiliated accessories will load onto the page. Click on the product you wish to order. Click the cart button. Enter your purchase order number and the quantity and click on Add to Cart. Check your cart details. You will note that the Rockslide products all ship via UPS ground due to the weight of the product. Place your order and have your Rockslide Engineering product shipped direct to your dealership. Step slider sets are available for the Jeep Wrangler 2018 through 2023 and for the new 2024 model year. They are also available for the Jeep Gladiator 2020 through 2023 and the new 2024 model year.